Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we've got an iconic aftermarket upgrade for you. vz100388, our Vicrez Nismo style carbon fiber rear wing spoiler for your Nissan GTR. Believe it or not, this rear wing spoiler is much more than just an aesthetic upgrade for your GTR. This wing will definitely enhance your aerodynamics, especially when tracking your GTR's improving traction, drag, cornering downforce, and stability. Or simply if you're just looking to make your GTR appear a little bit cooler. This spoiler was made to fit R35 models that were manufactured by Nissan between the years of 2009 to 2019. We use 3D scanning and CAD data to create top-quality aerodynamic products, which are manufactured out of carbon fiber materials that have been rated for use in aerospace engineering, instead of the more common and readily made available commercial-grade carbon. With an OEM fit and a classical design, you will be pleased to find that this rear wing spoiler is ultra-lightweight and extremely durable, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. And if this particular wing doesn't suit your taste, we have a great selection of carbon fiber parts for your Nissan GTR, including the Nismo full aerodynamic package, additional hoods, front bumpers, side skirts, rear diffusers, and more wings. Just about any interior or exterior upgrade you can think of. As for the installation, it's pretty easy and straightforward. The spoiler is meant to use pre-existing holes from your factory spoiler, but please be advised that carbon fiber requires specialized skills to properly install, and vicrez.com recommends professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop. Please make sure to test fit all products before they are painted, installed, or modified. So if you like what you see and want to see more, make sure you hit that like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more new videos on product overviews and installation walkthroughs such as this. And to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, make sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter.